Welcome back to Sophie's Tidbits. Today we are going to make a baked salmon and potatoes. So I've prepared everything and placed them in the baking tin. I just garnished with salt and black pepper, and then I'll add some lemon juice. I'll squeeze half a lemon onto the salmon, and then now it's ready to go to the oven. I'll now place this in the oven and cook it for 20 minutes at 180 degrees. Now let's make some guacamole to accompany our baked salmon and potatoes. And these are my ingredients. The avocado, tomato, and onions are now well chopped. I'll mix them together. Add some salt to taste, and we'll have our guacamole ready. Back to our food which was cooking in the oven. As you can see, 20 minutes later, it's now well cooked. The potatoes are cooked and the salmon is also well cooked as well. And it looks delicious and tastes very good too. Here's my plate today. It looks good. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe and like and leave a comment. Bye.